Besides public transport, the Warsaw Pass is a must-have for all tourists. You covering with this so many attractions. I had been in the Polin museum, and it's definitely a must-see place because you learn about Warsaw more when you learn about the people, and the Jews has influenced the country as much as the natives. So everything was closed. But don't give up, though the parks in Warsaw are always open and very beautiful as the city itself is.
When I was young, I should have known better, and I can't feel no more.
Too much brightness, so.
And you don't feel nothing bad. I got a new girlfriend. He feels like she's on top, and I don't feel no remorse. And you can't see past my blindness. Oh, Ophelia, you've been on my mind, girl, since the flood. Heaven help a fool who falls in love. mind, girl, like a drug. Oh, Ophelia, heaven help a fool who falls in love. Oh, Ophelia, you've been on my mind, girl, since the flood.
Hi guys, I have been here in the Park Fontan and roaming around here in front of the church, and I'm not alone. I found some Finnish friends. Really lovely.
From friend. Love your fan. What are your fans called?
Lamview, Lamvans.
Lammers.
And what's your name?
Okay, I'm Leo, guys. And I'm Acacia, guys. Subscribe down below.
Oh, thank you for that.